¿Cómo te juega con los otros apps de Dramation? Because I think I'm going to play another app. I think I'm going to play another apps. What? Cancel. It's already cancel. I'm missing. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? ¿Qué pasa? What? I know. ¿Qué? No. I'll try rock art. Why is it black? Rock art? It was squishy magic. What the? That's too big. Those logos Dramation. Oops, that's too big. Lastly, Bruno the super slime pet. Oops, the mouse is glitching. I think the computer's corrupted. Where's the loading screen? I don't like to show that loading screen. Before you started, what? I'm in What's this? A box? Oh my god, it's slime. What? What? It's very buggy. It's too much buggy.